Born in a blackout, baptized in rust, raised by a furnace, never learned to trust. He's not a man, but he likes to pretend, an uncaged animal without any friends. He doesn't breathe, he doesn't sleep, he just waits in the dark, very deep. Every scream you've ever heard was just rehearsal for his final word. Get out while you can. It's the chainsaw wielding man. Beware the ripstick. He'll turn you to coleslaw. There's no escaping the guy with a chainsaw. You can train for years, you can learn to fight, but he'll split your body on opening night. Doesn't matter if you've got the gear, he's the reason they invented fear. Every hallway's a trap he's placed, every flashlight flickers on his face. Just when you think you found the door, it's locked. He's been there before. In case you didn't know, he's got a chainsaw, bro. He's always coming for you. Try to fight, but then you withdraw. There's no escaping the guy with a chainsaw. You blink and time rewinds. He's there before you scream. Your fate was written backwards. You're just the opening scene. He's not the final boss. He's the glitch inside the game. You thought you had a story, but he never learned your name. Silent interlude, interrupted by a chainsaw dude. You should just give up if you try to find a flaw. There's no escaping the guy with a chainsaw. Just when you think it's safe, he comes bursting through the door. All your friends are dead in pieces on the floor. Get to the forest fast and pray he runs out of gas. Chainsaw Man! In every movie, he's already won. Scariest thing you ever saw. The guy with a chainsaw.